This single, simple yet effective productivity tactic will give you a productive life. See, what is a productive life? How do you live life productively? A productive year of your life is just 12 productive months. 12 productive months is just 52 productive weeks. And 52 productive weeks is simply 365 days where you enact productivity every single day. That's one way you can look at it. It could be argued other ways, but the basis is you want to be productive. And if I gave you the ability to be productive every single day, to have a set routine of productivity to ensure you wake up, you know what you need to do, number one, but number two, you actually get it done, then of course you'd be jumping at the idea. And good, because this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to be giving you the simplest productivity strategy, in which is your ideal day. What does the most productive day for you look like? And how can you repeat it every single day of your life to ensure that you live this productive dream and bring it to actuality? And I'll be giving you the template to follow for it. Let's get into it. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18 and I coach unproductive people to turn productive once and for all. I personally spent over 5,000 hours or 210 days straight wasting any potential I had. I had aspirations for business, for starting up this YouTube channel, for doing the things I've done so far, but I couldn't enact them because I wasn't productive. I procrastinated, I was lazy, and I generally wasted away my time when I should have been spending it productively. But now I effortlessly and easily breeze through large amounts of my work, for my business, for my education, and for my personal development goals. And it's because I understand this tactic. Every single day I wake up, I look at my phone, I look at my laptop, I know exactly what I need to do because I have my ideal day planned. And whether I plan it at the start of the week or the start of the month or the start of the quarter, because obviously times change, your structure is going to look different depending on whether you're in college, you finish college, or you're in university, etc. Your structure will look different at different periods, but as long as I plan it, even at the start of the week, I have 7 days guaranteed productive because I know exactly what I need to do. I plan the routine, I do the work easier because it becomes my life. When you do the tasks in a specific order every single day, you wake up, you go to the gym, you come back, you do work block 1, you ground in gratitude, you do work block 2, etc. Then all of a sudden, after day 2, 3, 4, 5, you don't even need to look at your to-do list, your routine, your ideal day plan that much because it's already built into the routine and the flow of your day. Who's going to be more productive? The guy with the caveman-like mentality who wakes up, who knows what they need to do because their tasks are ingrained into their life structure itself? Or the guy who wakes up with decision fatigue? Do I need to do this? I don't even know what task I need to do to progress the business I'm in. Obviously, it's the first guy. And if you want this template, you have two options. The top link in the description will take you to this free template. I put in all the variables you need and I'll cover them in this video also. But the second link will take you to the productivity app I've designed specifically for people like you. At just under 10 pence per day, you have a designed app that not only looks good, not only has a built-in habit tracker, but allows you to plan your ideal day once, maybe at the start of the week, at the start of the month, the start of the quarter, and allows you to ingrain it into your life. It connects with a computer, it connects with your phone. So whenever you look, whatever device, you can see what you need to do and start to build this habit. We are what we repeatedly do, so therefore excellence is not an act, but simply a habit. If you want to live a productive life, have those productive days that turn into weeks to months to years, you need this app. And it's the second link in the description. But let's get into the variables that we need to comprehend to plan this ideal day. Firstly, how many work blocks are you doing? In your ideal day, you close your eyes, you visualize the day where you're maximally productive, how much you're working. And be honest, because you need to have it sustainable. It comes into this secondary concept that we're going to speak about. Your ideal day is not actually the day that you can fully bring to reality. Think of your ideal day, plan your maximally productive day, how many work blocks you have, how many times you exercise, your sleep, your wake time, your learning time, your mental health and recovery time, and then deduct around 20%. Because if you plan the day maximally productive and your capacity is 100% utilized, you wake up, you do everything by the second perfect, you can make that day come true. But that's not sustainable, that's not realistic, and that's not possible on the majority of the days if you slept bad, if you've injured yourself so you can't train as hard as you usually do. These variables need to be accounted for, so minusing 20% off the ideal day, which is the 100% maximally productive, will take you to the outcome of what you should plan, what you should write down, what you should put into the app that I've designed for you to ensure you not only, again, build this routine, but build a routine that's sustainable and doesn't actually burn you out and become negative on your productivity and leave you in a rut of procrastination worse than when I found you. But that's it. That is the simple yet effective productivity strategy and the template, which is the top link in the description, 100% for free. I'll send it to you immediately for you to turn productive once and for all. And I hope this helped you. But if you do, and I know people will struggle, they won't know what to do, they maybe have a business idea, but they don't know how to bring it to actuality and find work to do. And another link in the description will take you to my productivity performance plan, where I'll spend 30 days working with you. You'll get 20 out of 30 days productive, or I'll work with you for free until you get that result. And we'll plan your future. We'll plan the tasks you need to do. We'll ensure you get it done productively with my exclusive productivity strategy, the app that I was speaking about for free, an exclusive high-quality physical planner, templates, trackers, tools, and my personal phone number so I can hold your hand through the trials and tribulations of productivity every single day I work with you to guarantee you reach that result of productivity. And if not, I'll work with you for free until you do. If that sounds interesting, check it out, but I appreciate you for watching.